You know, this is beautiful. Yeah. Dirty work, but somebody's got to do it. You bit me. You beat me. Isn't that beautiful? You want some more? I don't know why this particular, don't fight. I'm not going to even act like I know exactly what I'm talking about, but I think this is a goose. And this particular goose, this breed or species, really, really likes me. Like the swans right here. You see how he's right there by my foot? You know what? They don't like this cup. He'll eat out my hand, but he doesn't like the cup. Here you go, baby. Yeah, that's my friend. This is beautiful. You know, people come out here and they read the signs. Well, they may not read the signs, but there's signs that say, do not feed these birds bread. It's not good for them. You know? And what happens is when you feed them improper diet, let me see if I can find one. It makes the bird defective and it may not be able to fly again. Okay, somebody's a little feisty. You don't want to share. It's enough to share. Come here. Come, sweetie. Come here. Come, sweetie. Here. You apprehensive? Here. Come get it. Here. You afraid to come over there? He won't let you? Here. Here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Greedy. I picked this bird feed up. It's for large birds. And it wasn't that much. Man, I'm a mess. That's okay.